If your Toyota Sienna key fob fails due to a dead car battery or depleted fob battery, use the mechanical key. To access the key, locate the release button on the side or bottom of the fob, then slide or pull to remove the metal key. Insert the key into the driver's side door lock cylinder, a small slot near the handle. Turn the key counterclockwise to unlock the door. This process bypasses the electronic system, granting access even without battery power. Do not force the lock. Once inside, remember that rear sliding doors, especially power-operated ones, may pose an additional challenge. If equipped with manual locks, use the mechanical key on the exterior lock cylinder. Otherwise, you may need to locate and pull the emergency release lever inside the vehicle, near the sliding door. Note that attempting to manually force open a power sliding door when the battery is dead could cause damage, so proceed with caution. To prevent future lockouts, replace your key fob battery every 1 to 2 years. While newer Toyota models are shifting toward app-based and solar charging key fobs, manual unlocking will remain relevant for 2011 to 2020 Siennas for years to come.